Welcome to Salty Cooking. Today we are going to attempt oatmeal raisin cookies. Okay, let's start. First thing is butter. 1 cup of butter in the bowl. Next is the sugar. 1 cup of packed brown sugar and a ½ cup of white cane sugar. Or granulated, whatever you want. You gotta mix all 3 of these together. Almost there. You gotta get it to look like that. All clumpy. Now, you gotta get your 2 eggs. Crack them in there. Really gotta mix it in there well. Make sure it's all incorporated. Gotta get your vanilla in there, about 1 teaspoon. That wasn't 1 teaspoon. Hey, I did say about. I did say about 1 teaspoon.
That does look pretty good though.
Yeah, it does.
I think it'll be fine.
Just say a capful.
About 1 teaspoon. About. Next, you gotta mix in the flour. It's 1½ cups of all-purpose flour. Now in the middle of mixing it, this is where you're going to add your seasonings. Now we got a teaspoon baking soda, teaspoon of ground cinnamon, teaspoon of salt, and a 1/8 teaspoon of ground cloves. Just throw that in there. Yeah, you gotta test it. Tastes good. I wouldn't try that at home. It has raw egg in it. And here is where you throw your 3 cups of oats. Any kind of oats you want. Just throw it in there. But here you don't mix it, you fold it. So you fold it. Fold it in there. it should look something like that. Now, get your bowl of raisins, soak them in water for about 5 minutes. That's hot water, so it can soak up and plump. The raisins can plump up. And you pretty much just pour them in there. And just like the oats, you fold them. This will loosen everything up. Fold them. Take your thumb. You gotta get the rest of it. And now it should look something like that. Now it's ready to bake. Alright, next you gotta come over to your oven. You gotta set it for 350. Then you gotta get a sheet. Baking sheet, you gotta coat it with your oil. Vegetable oil, olive oil, doesn't matter. You gotta coat it. Alright, good enough. Now, take all your ingredients. I'd say probably good help. Good spoonful, good helping. Gotta place it on there, place it down. These are gonna make big cookies.
Go ahead.
Okay, it's not supposed to work out like that. You line them up on your tray. You gotta make sure it's all in there. Mash it down on your tray, form a cookie. Put them in a nice row. However many can fit on your baking tray. Alright, it should look something like that. And now, okay, now we're going to put them in the oven.
Okay, go ahead. Say no.
Just throw them in there.
Okay, you got it.
Yeah, to do it fast. Okay, we're in the oven. Bake them for about like 15 minutes. 15. Alright, it's been 15 minutes. Let's check our cookies. Oh, wow. Look at that. Looks like I underestimated it a little bit with how much it would expand on the cooking sheet. Get a cooling rack. Get your spatula. It might be a little soft right now, but that's alright. Just gotta act fast. Alright. Now for your second batch, I go with smaller portions. These cookies were kind of big and they're falling apart. Get your spray. Re-oil your pan. Proper time for a technically. Okay. Alright, I'd say that's about better than what it was. So back in the oven, same time. Just keep going 15 minutes until they're all done. Alright, it's been another 15 minutes. Let's check on this second batch. As you can see, this is a little overdone. But that's alright, they're still going to be good. Now we get to taste our invention. It's got a nice crunchy outside, and it's got a nice soft inside. Oh, look at that. Very soft. Give it a thumbs up. Alright, this is Salty. Subscribe for more if you like this video. And yeah, that's pretty much it.